Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line there is coming from. And that green line still does pertain, but as we head into the weekend and then, obviously start a new week on Monday, I just want to kind of really focus on a couple levels here that now that we have more data have really kind of solidified themselves as being more so the broader overall levels from a technical perspective. And like I said, with more data today, it's very clear now that this area down here at $5.20 is where the buyers are currently hanging out and have been hanging out for the past few days. I mean, all you got to do is go back through history. So you had a couple data points, and then like I said, it was pretty much confirmed today, which when the price went down there and once again bounced directly off that area. So that overall level of support going into next week, $5.20. I'm not saying the price is headed down there. Like I said, we're starting a new week, so I just figured let's just map out some of the kind of overall levels to keep an eye on. And from a support standpoint, $5.20 is very clearly a level of support. And this by no means is like some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that understands charts, uses charts, is looking at 520 and saying, okay, yeah, that's definitely a very clear level of support to keep an eye on. What about the flip side of things? Where are these levels of resistance? Once again, by no means some sort of great discovery. A lot of people are going to just be watching right up there where the price can never push through this week, and that's up there at $5.60. So 520 key level of support, 560 key level of resistance. Who knows? Maybe the price is going to want to enter into some sort of channel pattern for a while and just kind of slosh around back and forth and do some consolidating. And there's nothing wrong with that as long as consolidation areas and these channel patterns happen at higher and higher levels, which would be the case if that were to happen. But with the way TRXC can move, who knows? Maybe it's on its way to get up there to 560 and then just keep on going. But my point is, even if it does decide to consolidate a little bit, by no means is that bearish or anything like that, because consolidation is just part of how you build overall healthy uptrends. So pretty straightforward, but that's why I love charts. They make things very straightforward. So 560 key level of resistance next week, 520 key level of support. Let's see how it all plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.